All right, now we have removed the watermark. So we want to take a look at how we could increase the quality of the video. You come to the bottom, locate, adjust, and under adjust, if you come to video quality, I think we're here. What I need is not here. Still adjust. There are other things you need to, but I don't want to use all that. So I come to filter. I'm going to use crystal clear. Or I apply crystal clear to the video. And once it is applied, I wait, let it be applied. Good, done. And I think we have increased the volume already of the video. So I want the video very clear. Okay. So still under adjust, there are so many things to adjust, and that
I taught the same truths and blessed by the same God. When the time came to worship, Abel brought the best of his flock, offering it with reverence and faith. Cain also brought an offering, but his gift lacked the honor God deserved.
So you can do some other things if it's not AI generated video, the color, the brightness, but I've used one to attend to it. So I'm going to click OK. Since I'm done, I'm going to click OK. Okay, so and once I am through, that thing I didn't click on the video, and it's giving me something else. So I don't want that. I'm deleting it. So I'm going to do that editing again. Please pay attention. I click on view, then I come to adjust. Okay, you can not allow Capcut to recognize your feature. No, I don't need that not now. Okay, I come to adjust. I'm looking for adjust. Yes, this is it. Adjust. I click to adjust, and I'm coming to filter straight away, and I'm putting it on crystal clear. I think it has been now affected. Let me just increase it small. I want it very clear. Then I OK it. And when I'm through with the video and I am OK, then I come to export. Oh, Capcut ending. I don't need Capcut ending it. I'm deleting it. Thank God I scrolled to the end. So nothing like that will be there. It's gone to the very last place. Okay, so once you are through, then you export the video and I'm saving it to my device. You can send it to your account. So you allow it to export. Don't close your screen while you are doing so. And I think once it's 100%, please remember to click done. If you don't click done, that video may not export properly. Click done before you go to your gallery to locate the video. I think with this, you can continue. You can start from here to try to experience Capcut and use it. Just try and use it well. All right, good luck.